fifth graders learned for the fifth grade choir festival when we went to PT right before Thanksgiving. And since we learned it was so fun, we helped the fourth graders learn it like quick because they didn't have as much time with it. And they decided to add it to our concert tonight. So I hope you enjoyed Figgy Pudding.